Unfortunately, the real estate world has boiled down to how do I get more leads? In fact, a lot of brokerages promise, hey, come on over here and I'll give you leads. Well, at the end of the day, getting leads sucks. And real estate leads, they all suck. So if you want to learn how to not only get leads, but get like referral style leads and convert them, because that's what we need to do at the end of the day, I will teach you how to get a plethora of leads and you won't even have to convert them. And if you want to learn exactly how I do that, we're getting after it right now. What's up, everybody? This is Jackson Wilkie with the Channel Junkies. In this channel, I teach real estate professionals how to blow up their business 1000% free with YouTube. If that's what you want, make sure you tap that subscribe button and you click the little bell so you're notified every time I do a new video. All right, so when it comes to leads, I remember getting promised all these leads in the world and actually running Facebook ads all the time. And man, we could get some serious leads, but converting those, and if you even did convert them, they were like the cheapest buyers you could possibly find. You had to convert them. It was kind of an ugly process. I mean, you're not getting all of these like $1 million buyers all the time. Well, we are now with what I'm going to teach you. But lead converting just sucks, and it's not a business that's really scalable, because at the end of the day, if you really want to scale and grow, then that means you have to force another real estate agent or somebody else to come on and convert those leads for you, right? Because we can't do everything ourselves. And so that's why a lot of agents are leaving that team model. It's broken, and they just hate coming in to be your servant. Oh, you need to be here from 8 to 12, pounding the phones, and I'm going to give you 25%. So at the end of the day, if you want to learn how to get free, easy leads, easy is the key word, this is how we're doing it. Content marketing. Now, what does this mean? Content marketing is a form of basically the sales process, and the sales process recognizes problems, right? So this is the biggest issue we have is when we do those Facebook ads of, hey, cheap homes under $299,000. You're working with cheap buyers who can't afford it, who are tire kickers. But when we start content marketing and going, hey, are you working from home because of COVID, the pandemic? You thought it was cool the first 2 weeks, and now, well, you're shoulder to shoulder with your spouse, and you're like, I need a freaking office. I need an extra bedroom. I just need something. But you think if you sell your house right now, you have nowhere to go? Well, we're going to be answering that with the last 3 clients I had and their stories, some of the good, some of the bad, the pros, the cons, but how we were able to make it work for all of them. Doesn't that sound a little bit better, and won't it attract your ideal audience? Number 2 to this, how do you get free, easy leads? You work with algorithms, right? So if you're problem solving, then you use free algorithms. That's why I love YouTube, because YouTube is a search engine where 64% of consumers' purchases are made from, and it absolutely dwarfs any other social media platform out there combined. But even on the Facebooks and the Instagrams, when you hop on those, you see things because you engage with those posts. So you're going to continue to see those, and you're going to see new posts from other people who are just like that, because it's going to grab your attention, keep you on the platform longer. Doesn't that make a little bit of sense? So the other way that we're getting a shitload of free real estate leads very easily is by leveraging the algorithm organically. Now, what does that mean? We need to understand that when we open a video, instead of talking about me, myself, my listing, my open house, I'm the greatest realtor, me, that is not the sales process. That is not content marketing. That is just talking about you, and nobody cares about you. They want their questions to be answered. So at the end of the day, if you said that intro that I just told you about shoulder to shoulder and with a client, and you had 5 people watch that video, 5, and they watched that whole thing, kick my mic. What that's going to do is tell the algorithm, okay, well, these people have all of these search habits here. If you've watched A Social Dilemma on Netflix, you'll know what I'm talking about. But that algorithm goes, geez, these people watch that entire show. Well, there's another 500 people out here that search the same thing as them, who have the exact same habits, and it starts placing your videos in front of them. And I've shown with data analytics stats with my YouTube channels that when YouTube suggests your video, you average 30 to 40% longer average view duration. So these algorithms are incredibly smart. So when every marketer and Jane, Dick, and Sally out there, realtor, top realtor, teaches you need to be doing video, but they don't teach you the right videos, I'm teaching you the right ones. Content marketing. So from now on, every video that you do, which video is the most important, I believe, if you do it correctly, You need to be answering your consumers' questions. Once you do that, then the algorithms kick in and find people most likely to watch your content. So that's how we leverage YouTube 100% free organically without sharing it anywhere. I do not share it because that crushes you. Now you're placing your videos in front of people who don't want it, and that tricks the algorithm. So we built a team now. We're going to do $150 million in real estate sales this year. I'm in my second year of real estate. I'm out of production. I live in a state that's not even the same as I started my YouTube channel now. I have 11 YouTube channels in 11 different states, replicating this process, right? All I do is content market. I find out what people are searching in these cities. I shoot those videos. I've mastered the script to use. No scripts, but the script in order of how to shoot the video, and people come calling. We've had over 1,500 reach outs in the first 7 months of our channel here in Houston, Texas. And that is because I've understood content marketing and leveraging algorithms. And that is how you get so much free business and its ideal clients. Our average price point across the country, $683,000. Average credit score, 773. The Portland, Oregon channel that I did, our average home price there is 780, and our credit score was 783. So I mean, I'm talking the cream of the crop, luxury clients, dream clients. And that is how we're able to do it, by leveraging those things I talked about. So I've got incredible resources walking you A to Z. I've got 100 videos or 200 videos on this channel teaching you everything for free. We do partner with agents though. If you're just like, give me the playbook, I want to partner with you, I want to coach with you, you can join us at eXp Realty. I give you all of my courses for free, my coaching, live coaching every month. I actually give you my Calendly link. I blow you up. The more I help you, the more it helps us. If you're interested, just shoot me an email, jackson@realagentnow.com. And now these are the videos that are popping up that will help you explode your YouTube channel. Start watching those and you will be well on your way. And until the next video, guys, we'll catch you later.